Okay, so a quick tutorial on images within Microsoft Word. So a couple things you can do with images in Microsoft Word, just a few of them right here. You can do a ton of things with images in Microsoft Word, but I'll just go over a few right here. You'll notice the ribbon right here, I believe they call it now in Microsoft Word, changes when I click on words or images. So watch up here, and when I click on the image right there, then I do get a different button right here. So, and then if I double click on the image, I get an even different ribbon up here. So now that I've double clicked on the image right there, I can make some changes to this image. So one of the things I can do is I can put a border around it. So you'll see you got these borders right here, different types of frames, things like that. Some of them look a little better with other pictures and whatnot, but you can do a real quick change there, and it sometimes looks really nice. You can also, let's see, crop the picture. So if you have, this used to have to do within a photo editing program. So you had to leave the program, go get your picture, edit the picture, then save the picture, and then reinsert it into the document. But now you can do it right inside the document, which is kind of nice. So I can click there. I can go to crop right there. I'm just clicking up there. I think you'll notice you now have these sort of black bars right there. So I can just go through and I can say, well, you know what? I don't want the whole thing right here. I want to crop this picture just like that. And then when I have it, I can see which part's going to be cropped out. When I'm done, I can just hit the Enter key on my keyboard, and you get an entirely new image, which is kind of nice. Another thing you can do is you can go over to color right here, and there's all kinds of different coloring you can do with these pictures. Again, some pictures look a little better. This one's kind of a, a plain-ish sort of image, so it's not changed too much by picking these different things here. But sometimes with photographs you can get a kind of a sepia tone and different things like that, make it black and white real easily, and do some kind of fun things. Another thing you can do is you can set your transparent color, and if you have anything but a white background, sometimes clip art, what'll happen is behind like this gavel right here, this will actually be white. You can't see it right now because this is on a white background, but if you don't have a white background, so if you have a colored background, it works really well with like PowerPoint oftentimes, but if you have a colored background, then if you put a clip art with a white background right here on a colored background, on top of a colored background, you'll get a white square all the way around your image. So if you want to get rid of that square, if you want to get rid of the white square and just have the picture just around the edges right there, you can say set transparent color, and then you can pick whatever color you want to be transparent, like white in this case, and click right there, and it'll make that background be transparent. So now if you have this picture against something else, let me undo that for you. Let's see if it's going to work. If I have that picture against something else, it will end up, now this one already probably is transparent, but it'll end up not showing the white background. So you have to kind of play with that. So my explanation may not be the greatest, but another thing you can do. So again, just a quick explanation on a few things you can do with clip art in Microsoft Word, and oftentimes the same thing works in PowerPoint as well in pretty much the same way. Thanks.